St. Patrick's Day is coming up soon, and, being the Irish lad that I am, I've been preparing extra early for this special occasion. Lately, I've been in the mood for some Irish cuisine, and I found just the place, Josie Kelly's Public House in Summers Point. So today on the Current OC, we'll be joined by the fantastic chefs of Josie Kelly's to prepare a shepherd's pie. Shepherd's pie is a traditional Irish dish, featuring lamb meat and beef broth, diced onions, peas, and carrots, and topped with mashed potatoes. First, you're going to want to dice up all your carrots, and do the same to your onions. Mash your potatoes until they're smooth, and don't forget a slice of butter and a pinch of pepper. Put your carrots and onions into a skillet and sauté them until the onions are golden and the carrots are tender. Mix in your lamb meat and cook it with the carrots and onions for about 5 to 6 minutes. Pour in the beef broth and peas and keep on stirring. Now, let's hear from our chefs at Josie Kelly's.
Seasoning and then some onion and stuff like that. And then these are fresh made, just regular potatoes, mashed potatoes, and they get piped right on top. Like that, and we take these and we put them in the broiler so they can get like nice and toasty on top. Just like that. Give it a couple minutes and then we'll serve it.
So the next time you're in the mood for some great shepherd's pie, come on down to Josie Kelly's. Oh, and don't forget to try their other food as well. This has been Luke Leonetti, reporting for the Current OC.